Your liver works every single day, filtering toxins, processing food, and keeping your blood clean. But what happens when it starts to struggle? Most people never notice until it's too late. Today we're looking at 3 signs your liver may be crying out for help and the herbs that can turn things around. Sign number 1, persistent fatigue. The first sign is fatigue that just won't go away, not the kind that sleep fixes. We're talking about a deep, heavy tiredness that follows you through the day. When your liver is overwhelmed, it cannot efficiently convert nutrients into energy. The second sign is bloating, especially after meals. The liver produces bile, which is essential for breaking down fats. When the liver is under stress, bile production slows down. Food sits longer than it should. You feel heavy, uncomfortable, and gassy even after a light meal. Sign number 3, skin changes. The third sign shows up on your skin. Your liver is your body's primary detox organ. When it cannot keep up with filtering toxins, those toxins start looking for another exit, and your skin becomes that exit. You may notice dullness, itching, unexplained breakouts, or a slight yellowish tint around the eyes. But here's the good news. Nature has provided powerful herbs that have been used for centuries to support, protect, and restore liver function. And we are going to look at 3 of them right now. The first herb is dandelion root. Most people see dandelion as a weed, but this humble plant has been used for thousands of years as a liver tonic. Dandelion root stimulates bile production, helps flush toxins from the liver, and supports healthy digestion. The second herb is one you almost certainly already know, turmeric. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is one of the most well-researched natural anti-inflammatories in the world. For the liver specifically, turmeric helps reduce inflammation, protects liver cells from damage, and supports the liver's natural detox pathways. And now, the third herb. This one might surprise you. You may have eaten it at dinner and never once thought of it as medicine. We are talking about artichoke leaf. Artichoke leaf extract is one of the most powerful herbs for liver regeneration. It stimulates the production of bile, helps the liver process fats more efficiently, and has been shown to actually help regenerate damaged liver cells. Always remember this: your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. It deserves your attention. So, give your liver the support it needs. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to Herbal Wellness, and watch our next video where we go even deeper into herbs that heal. Your health is worth it,